Look!
Hey, simulant. Probably rogue. Let's get the smeg out of here. You smell good.
Thanks.
They're all missing their primers.
Well, this Johnny won't help us. Simulants hate everything human or humanoid. In fact, anything beginning with a hue.
Probably hate the third largest city in Vietnam, then.
Why's that?
Because it's called Hue, dummy. Well, actually, it's pronounced Hua, but if I said Hua, it wouldn't have been as funny. Any navigation conference anywhere, they would be in the aisles with a quip like that.
Probably trying to get out the building before you quipped again.
Well, the point I was trying to make was that Sims hate humans, but they don't hate GELFs.
But we're not GELFs.
We could be.
This is nuts.
We look great! What are you talking about?
This is never going to work. You can't speak GELF.
Neither can the Sim. We'll just do an impression of you first thing in the morning and we'll be fine. Come on, boy.
This is so demeaning. I feel like a piece of meat. There's someone up there.
Where's the chronic guitar sufferers annual out?
After spare Mickey's, eh? You, man! Lovely with a bit of mint sauce. How about trade?
We ain't selling, okay? Fuel, supplies, anything, but not the human. I was just telling him, no deal. Like she says, no deal. You tell him, bud, babe, no deal. You got that?
So, you speak Earth, eh? Tails, you can have the Mickey's for free. Heads, I take the human.
Hey, wait a minute.
Tails, here's yours. And here are the primers. Now, how about a toast, eh? To simulants, the greatest droids in the universe. But never trust them. Cheers. Cheers.